Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.
Question. Me curious. Things that on my mind. Question. Me serious. This a one of them question time. Why when a woman catch a man a cheat, she never yet attack the man, is always the next woman she want beat? Why me never yet see two man a fight over a woman like fool? Instead them just laugh it off, drink a beer, all a reason to school. Why a man can have multiple women and nobody think it crazy? But a woman can't do what a man do and still be considered a lady? Why if a man cheat on him woman is a little mistake he make. But if a woman cheat on the man, she's a big whore. And him and she are feel left. Why some girl always encourage their friend to left their man? And them sit down in a fit them relationship under some more serious situation. Why not sit down in some man-clone relationship? I try to train somebody else. When I'm gonna take a long leave of absence, I easily change on herself. Question. I'm curious. Things that on my mind. Question. Alright, I'm serious. This is one of them question time. Where man meet a woman with fuzzy eyelash nails and hair, and as him and she settle down, is a all natural look him want she wear. Why a man meet a woman and him in a rush to get the nookie, but him a call to see him woman gold digger if she in a rush to get the money? Why when in a relationship good, on a post for the whole of social media no, but when the relationship mash up, we can't see no post? Excuse me? We want to know how it go. We're gonna love. We're sharing a video. We're gonna pick snuff likes. So who left who? For what? On a chase? On a pop big dirty fight? Question. Me curious. Things up on my mind. Question. Me serious. This is one of them question time. Why some mother-in-law so terrible? On no ever build strife. On no all tired and boring. Wanna don't go look alive? Oh man, you can't date your son. You sir, you can't date your daughter. And a phone relationship. So why the young people think them don't want to take over? Why if a relationship end, the woman lock down herself in a depression, but the man them nowadays are kill off both themselves and the woman? Why when two people are alone together, the love beats like one heart, but when baby come in at the picture, it's like the love does fall apart? Question. Me curious. Things that on my mind. Question. Me serious. This is one of them question time. Why man have a good woman, wash, cook and clean, help pay the bills and him still a garbon? But if he meet a player like himself, he take up foot in a hand and run. Why you never strive to listen and reason when you're calm? Instead you value the person after the person gone. Question. Me curious. Things that on my mind. Me serious. This is one of them question time. Why you keep searching for true love all over the place, when all this time true love right under your nose, turn up in your face? Why you have your good relationship going so strong, and you make the devil juke you, and you go mash it up for your one night stand? Question. Why you left your relationship over simple things you could have considered? Now you run dash out a fine pan and end up in a fire. Why one woman trick a man who care about her, take him money go up and date with the next man, when all the next man pan the date care about is to get into our intersection? Why enough people love somebody who love our next somebody? And it's a mix-up love triangle business what end up hurt everybody? Hold on. Why for me I ask a question them nobody now answer me? I mean, you expect to have the answer them? Seriously, wanna chat to me?
Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.